In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Kajabi videos. Easy method. First, go to Kajabi and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the course or product that contains the video you want to save. This part is important because Kajabi organizes content inside products, lessons, and modules, so you'll need to navigate to the exact lesson where the video is hosted. After that, open the lesson that includes the video. Give the page a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the video player and any lesson options that may appear around it. Depending on how the course creator has set things up, the download option may be visible near the video player, underneath the lesson content, or in a small menu area. Next, check whether the course creator has enabled the download option. Not every Kajabi lesson includes this feature, so this is the key thing to look for before trying anything else. If you see a button labeled download, that means the video has been made available for offline saving directly through Kajabi. If the download button is available, click download. Your browser may immediately begin downloading the file, or it may ask you where you want to save it first. If prompted, choose a location on your device that's easy to remember, such as your downloads folder or a specific video folder you use for course materials. Keeping things organized here can save time later, especially if you're downloading multiple lessons. Once you've selected the save location, wait for the download to finish. The time this takes will depend on the size of the video and the speed of your internet connection, so just let it complete fully before opening the file. Interrupting the process too early can sometimes result in an incomplete or corrupted download. When the download is done, open the saved file to confirm it downloaded successfully. This final check helps make sure the video plays properly and that the file was saved in the location you expected. If it opens and plays without any issues, then you're all set. One quick note before wrapping up: this method only works when the course creator has allowed downloads inside Kajabi. If you don't see a download button, then the video likely isn't available for direct download through the platform. And that's it. That's the easiest way to download Kajabi videos when the download option is enabled.